Oh, yeah. Yeah, I always wake up early. I usually eat at 8. I often ride my bicycle, I never come in late. I always listen in class, I usually write it down. Sometimes I laugh with friends when we're hanging around. Learning English every day, step by step we grow. Frequency words help us let the rhythm flow.
Always means every day, usually most the way. Often means many times,
Sometimes once in a while,
never means zero life.
that's the final line. I usually do my homework after school around 4. I often read a story, learning more and more. Sometimes I play some football, sometimes I watch TV. I never miss a lesson, English helps me be me. Always trying something new, usually doing my best. Often working with my friends, learning with the rest.
Always means every day, usually most the way. Often means many times,
Sometimes once in a while,
never means zero times.
that's the final line.
Always, usually,
Sometimes too,
never. What about you? Tell me what you always do.
everything the whole week through.
Always, always, always. Usually say the line. Always.
Frequency words keep the time.